Hi guys, in this screencast I'll show you how to create a Padlet account, how to share your Padlet wall publicly, how to share it with your teammates so that you can collaborate on the settings, and how to add various things to the wall. The first thing that you're going to do is go into Safari, and in the address bar type in padlet.com, and we're going to sign up for an account. So go ahead and click on sign up. Whenever you can sign up using Google, do so. So we'll tap on the red bar, sign up with Google. And if you see your name, you can go ahead and tap on your name. In this case, I'm going to add an account. And your account is going to be your student school email, which is your long student number at ep-student.org. And your password is your lunch pin plus the word learn. And once you've gone ahead and put in your username and password, go ahead and click on sign in. And make sure that you get your password in correctly or it won't allow you to sign in. Oh, and look what I did here. Good mistake. I put a period there instead of a dash. So I'm going to need to change. And once you've successfully signed in, you go ahead and just click accept here. And the one thing we want you to do is take your last name off because, of course, whenever you're putting something on the internet, we do not want your last name and first name together. So you just delete that and your name will be your first name and your username will be your number. And then click save and continue. You're going to want to create a new Padlet. And basically what it looks like is kind of like a bulletin board. We're going to let you discover what you can put on this. You do have to put a title, a description. If you want to change the background, you're sure welcome to. Add an image, figure out how to add a video, which is a link, just for a little hint. But what we want to show you is how to make sure that you're sharing it. Right now it's a private Padlet wall. And so Ahmed is going to go down to this little cog here, tap on it, and he's going to find the word privacy, which is the little lock there. It defaults to a hidden link. You want to make it totally public. And you want to make sure that, well, for most purposes, you're going to want your audience or whoever's going to be adding it to be able to write on it. If it's just a presentation, then maybe you can have it, save it as view. But for now, we're going to change it to write. So we'll select can write. Now, you're working in a group, so you're going to want to make sure that your group members can also collaborate with you. So you could just go ahead and type their emails in here. I'll just use mine. And I hit add. And now if Ahmed and I wanted to collaborate on this together, we certainly could. And you can add more than one collaborator. One thing you have to make sure you do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and find the blue submit button and click submit. And now anybody can find your link. Now the other thing that you want to do is you want to know where you're going to get the address to share this Padlet. Obviously you're not going to share it just yet because you haven't put anything on there. But when you're ready to share this back onto the Schoology discussion board, you'll click right here on the link, the address link. And this is the URL or the address that you can copy. Some of you might want to try to make up one of your own, and that's fine if you want to do that. But to copy this link, you just hold your finger over it and copy it. And now, of course, it's in your clipboard, so when you get ready to upload that to your Schoology discussion, that's what you'll be uploading. And I believe that is it. So to then start creating your wall, you just click off of the settings from over here and double click on your iPad, and you'll see what looks to me like to be a little post-it note. And you'll have to explore some of this on your own. Just one little hint, sometimes people get frustrated because they can't move the post-it note around. But once you write something in there and tap off of the post-it note, you hold your finger on the post-it note and then you can move it around. There we go. So you have to kind of hold it until it recognizes that your finger's touching it. Have fun, knock our socks off. Can't wait to see what you guys produce.